A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are here now at Istara, located in Riyadh area, and to celebrate the Family Gala event brought to us by Bazm Shaheen. And this is the grandest event in the whole year. We did as a Pakistani community living here at Saudi, particular in Riyadh areas. This is Muhammad Arif Gul from Pakish 2030, and I will share to you my latest videos, ideas. But before that, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I am very thankful to you, everybody, to subscribe my channel Package 2030, so that you can update my next videos. As you can see, all people here are busy to their stall and make some decorations to make it attractive and good looking to anyone. From the participation, as you can see, everyone have their own style. From food stall, kid stalls, science stalls, sports stalls, and science trick area, where you can see how science can change our lives. And there is also ladies and kids who enjoy the moment, and the whole family have been here tonight to witness this spectacular and amazing experience to everybody in this amazing area, amazing place like Istara, from the kids and teens who played their favorite games like football, cricket is so unique, showcase talents and their abilities, their skills, and their techniques to partially to play this game is so amazing. The place also is so relaxing, and due to cold weather today, climate is really very interesting, and suspense is always is there. Sometimes cold is there, sometimes tiny droplets of water coming from the clouds, and you can say this is the perfect day to celebrate this grand gala family event. And the whole place are divided and separated. There is men places and also women's places. It's an organized, and the venue, I can say also, it's perfect to accommodate this all visitors, guests, and a member of Bazm Shaheen. I especially salute to member of the Bazm Shaheen and president of Bazm Shaheen. All the players who won also, they received their awards and prizes for their dedication of sportsmanship. So we are thankful and grateful to Almighty Allah for this wonderful gala event, with the taking action on our most energizing and supportive president of Bazm Shaheen. The children always called Uncle Sayyid Mahmoud Al Hassan, and its active membership and his team. Really, they are all absolutely, I can say, very attractive and very amazing. Their behaviors, they are treating the visitors and the others. Really, I must appreciate it to everybody. Thankful to everybody, and hopefully everyone can enjoy, inshallah ta'ala. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Package 2030. Allah Hafiz.